All right, welcome back to another vlog. This is a beautiful evening. Today is a work day, and this is specifically a rush hour. That is why a lot of traffic on the road. Everybody's trying to go home, and we are, competing with each other. Kind of need a major change in terms of how we drive, our behavior, how it should be. For example, I can't help this traffic, so what I have to do is to be very careful and carefully pass this specific point. We should not break the wait a second we should not push each other, and we should respect the markings on the road. It is there for a specific reason, and that is it's called lane, and each individual car should maintain one specific lane. Why? Because there is no chance of bumping into each other, but we don't do that. See, we're just, he pushed me all the way back. So this is the sad part about Dhaka traffic. We don't follow any lane or anything. So the rule is, whenever you see a white line in the middle of the road, you can't cross it. If it's a solid line, you definitely can't cross it. If it is too solid line, you can't cross it. But if it is dotted, you can cross it, but you have to use the signal. You have to use the turn signal. And see, that car somehow is maintaining it. He is indicating that he wants to go left. Similarly, I'm indicating that I want to go left, and I'm gonna find a good opportunity and go left. That is very secured, because the cars from behind, they will understand that I want to go left, and they will give me some space to actually go there. Please let me go left. Thank you. My dash cam is acting up. It is thinking that I'm gonna bump into another car. Okay, so I could manage to go left, and I'm gonna merge onto the first lane or the second lane. I can't merge on the very right lane, because that is not my passage. Okay, whenever I'm going on the left, I can either merge on the leftmost lane or maximum the second lane. But I can't merge on the right lane, because that would interrupt the car coming from that lane. So that is another thing that we have to watch out. Yeah, they can do that. See this double line? Nobody can cross it. There is a specific rule. If you cross it, you violate the traffic rules. But they came on the other side because they can. They're very powerful. And this specific CNG driver is in the middle of the road, will not let me pass, or he can go even faster than this. Funny, everybody has a different issue. Again, he came in front of me, not letting me pass. Sorry, I had to do that. And this car stopped in the middle of the road because he can. I may sound a bit annoyed because I'm talking about it, but my personal the way I manage it is I don't think about it when I'm driving. I don't think about what other people should be doing, whether they're right or they're wrong. I try to keep safe and drive peacefully. Sometimes I vlog like this so that I can utilize this time and actually record the beautiful journeys that I can have among all this rush hour driving. So yeah, that is how it is. So the light seems like getting low. I'm not sure how it is coming in the camera, but then again, this specific road, I think you have seen in my last vlog, is very beautiful because of the trees. And this is like the winter is ending, so all the leaves are falling. And when there is a small wind, you can see these leaves moving. And yeah, this is a beautiful scene. Well, I'm near my home. Oh, brother. You cannot do that. You can't suddenly come in front of a car. I may be not being able to brake in time. That was a very risky move. To all the drivers that is driving every day on the Dhaka City Road, I will have to say you guys are amazing. Keep a little bit of patience so that the road is safe for everybody else, because it's never your fault. It is always somebody else's fault. But we have to be careful. We are very much responsible because we are driving heavy vehicles. So this is our responsibility to keep the road safe. So to all the drivers of private cars, big buses, trucks, keep the road safe for everybody else. That would be my message today. And those who are learning how to drive cars, pride yourself that you are a very good driver who maintains all the traffic rules and keeping the road safe for others. That's it. See you in the next vlog.